1. This is regarding form the opposites of words given below by prefixing an or in. Prefix, you have to add prefix and a suffix. Okay, so pre means at the starting and suffix means at the end. The prefix in can also have the forms, okay, il, ir, im. So likewise, for example, illiterate, literate, impractical, irrational. You may consult dictionary if you wish. So you have to make opposites with the help of this. Adequate, it's given adequate. Okay, so with adequate, what it will become? The prefix in you have to use inadequate. Then it is demanding. Demanding. So demanding, what will be added? Undemanding. Okay, so likewise children, you have to add prefix, you have to add to make opposites. Then it is patriotic, so it will become unpatriotic. Then logical, so illogical. So unpatriotic, illogical. These prefix, this is what? This is prefix. This is un is prefix. Okay, this is prefix. This is prefix. And you have made what? Opposites with the help of it. Then acceptable, unacceptable. Unacceptable. Then inactive, undisputed. Okay, then illegal. So all these prefix you have to make you have to add in order to make opposites. So you have understood this or not? Yes, students, all of you have understood this? Provide your response, children. Will you do?
Understood, sir.
Yeah. So regular, irregular, true, untrue, accessible, inaccessible, accessible, inaccessible. Then responsible, irresponsible. Then tolerant, intolerant, permanent, impermanent. Then coherent, incoherent, possible, impossible. So all these. Then rewrite the sentences below, changing the verbs in brackets into passive forms. Passive forms we have discussed, but passive form is not there in your syllabus at present. Okay, it has been deleted from the syllabus. So the first one is, in yesterday's competition, the prizes give away by the principal. So in yesterday's, it is what? In yesterday's. Okay, so in yesterday's competition, in passive voice, what remains there? Third form of the verb remains there. So it will become, in yesterday's competition, the prizes were given by the principal. The prizes were given by the principal. Prizes were given away by the, away is there. Prizes were given away by the principal. So this is first one. Then in spite of financial difficulties, the laborers pay on time. So in spite of financial difficulties, the laborers were paid. In spite of financial difficulties, the laborers were paid on time. Were paid. Third form is used. That is the significant feature, that of passive voice. On Republic Day, vehicles. Now what it will become? Were not allowed. Were not allowed beyond this point. Then second-hand books. Second-hand books. So what it is given? Buy and sell on the payment. So it will become second hand books are bought and sold. Second hand books are bought and sold. Then elections to Lok Sabha are held every 5 years. So likewise are held. Then our national anthem, Rabindranath Tagore, what is given? Composed. So it is that of a past. So our national anthem was composed by Rabindranath Tagore. Okay, children. So likewise, all these are to be done by you. This one you have done. Though passive voice is not there in syllabus, but then also you should understand it. Already we have discussed. Already it has been discussed by us. Though for examination point of view, it will not come. In yesterday's competition, the prizes were given away by the principal. This is first one. Okay. Then you do the second. In spite of financial difficulties, in spite of financial difficulties, the laborers were paid on time. Okay. So were given away. Okay, that is the third form is used there in passive voice. By is used. Okay, in spite of financial difficulties, the laborers were paid on time. Object will come before, subject will come at the end. So all this on Republic Day, vehicles were not allowed beyond this point. Were not allowed beyond this point. Okay. So likewise, I hope you will do. Is it clear to you, students?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So then question number 4, you have to complete. Fourth part is second hand books are bought and sold on the payment. Then fifth is elections to Lok Sabha are held every year. Then sixth, our national anthem was composed. By Rabindranath Tagore. So likewise, these are to be completed by you. Then children, rewrite the paragraph below using the correct forms of the verb. The paragraph is given that you have to rewrite using correct forms of the verb. So first of all, you read the paragraph and then you identify. Okay. You identify how helmets came to be used in cricket. Nari Contractor was the captain and an opening batsman for India in the 1960s. The Indian cricket team went on a tour to the West Indies in 1962 in a match against Barbados in Bridgetown. Nari Contractor seriously injured and collapsed. Okay, so what verb form will be used that you have to write here? Okay, try to get it. Was seriously injured. Okay, with was third form will come. Then in those days helmets not wear. Okay, so were not worn. Helmets were not worn. Helmets were not worn. So what will come in A? Was seriously injured. In B, were not worn. Okay. Then you find there in C. Okay. What will come in the next? Contractor hit on the head. Contractor was hit. Contractor was hit on the head. Okay. Then you find the next one, on the head by a bouncer from Charlie Griffith. Contractor's skull fracture. Okay. So was fractured. Was fractured. Was fractured. So likewise, you find the next, children. You have to provide your response. Find the next one. Okay, what is the next one you find? The entire hospital, he accompanied by Frank Worrell, the captain of West Indies team. Okay. The entire team deeply concerned. Okay, the entire team was deeply concerned. Was deeply concerned. Was deeply concerned. Was deeply concerned. The next it is the captain of the West Indies team, Blood he was accompanied. So next it is he was accompanied by Frank Worrell, the captain of the West Indies team. Blood was donated by the West Indies players. So likewise, children, you have to complete it. The correct form of verb you have to supply. Then the next also it is like the same. Okay, so the next also you go through and you find out the verb forms, incorrect verb forms. Okay, where you have to supply the correct verb forms. You go through it, then provide your response. Yes, children, 1 minute I am giving you. You go through it and then provide your response. It is regarding vegetable oils, bracket, make from seeds and fruits of many plants growing all over the world. So vegetable oils, what will be the?
Is made.
Vegetable oils are made. Oils, plural. Vegetable oils are made. So what it will become? Vegetable oils are made from seeds and fruits of many plants growing all over the world. Okay. From tiny seeds to big juicy coconuts, oil produced from, in bracket it is given, oil
is
produced.
produced.
Yes, so oil is produced. Oil is produced from cotton seeds, groundnuts, soya bean, sunflower seeds. Okay. Then olive oil. Olive
Is
oil.
used.
Used.
Yes. Olive oil is used for cooking, salad, dressing. Olives.
Are
Yeah.
shaken.
Yeah. Olives are
Shaken.
taken from the trees and
Gathered.
yes,
Are
is
gathered.
gathered and gathered up, usually by hand. Okay, so likewise provide the correct verb forms. The olives are ground to a thick paste.
Are grounded.
Are
Yeah,
ground.
yeah, are grounded. Yes, correct. Are grounded to a thick paste which is spread onto special mats. Then the mats are
Are layered.
Layered.
yes, are laid up in the pressing machine, which will gently squeeze them to produce olive oil. So likewise, children, you have to complete it with the corrective verb forms. Then next it is regarding, let the class divide itself into three groups. Let each take down one passage that the teacher dictates, then put the passage together in the right order. So yeah, these are the passages to serve with love. You have to put them in right order. Okay, so you go through it, you read it, and then do the right order. So you consider it as a homework. Yeah, Vikas Sharma, you have raised your hand. Vikas, okay. So that you do. Then speaking task is there. You the earlier one, you have to read it, you have to understand it, and then you have to. Okay. So you do it as homework. Then speaking. Here is a topic for you to think about. Give your opinion on. Find out what other people think about it. Ask your friends, seniors, parents to give you their opinion. Career building is the only goal of education. So the topic is career building is the only goal of education, or getting a good job is more important than being a good human being. Okay, children. So this is the topic. Then getting a good, you can use the following phrases while giving your opinion, describing your opinion. I think that career building is not only the goal of education. Education is beyond making career. It is to make a person a complete human being. It is to make a person a well informed citizen. It is to make a person a resource for the nation. And if we tell that career making is the only goal, then that is the narrow minded approach. Likewise, your ideas you can, if you are in favor, likewise you can tell, in my opinion, in my opinion, career, these phrases, children, you can use. What are the phrases? I think that, in my opinion, career building is not the only goal of education. Okay, education is a broader term and it is having a broader meaning. If we will tell that its aim is only career making, then we are giving a narrow minded definition to education. It seems to me that, so likewise, it seems to me that, you can use this phrase and then further you can define. It seems to me that, how you will define? Career building is the only goal of education. Add some line to it, but while you will use the line, either that should support or that should oppose. Either you are in favor of the topic or either you are against the topic. Then I am of the view that, if you want to express your special view, you can use I am of the view that, as far as I know, this is not only the aim of education to make career. Okay, it is beyond career. If you ask me, I will tell that no, career making is not the only goal of education. It is one of the aspects, but it is not the only goal of education. So likewise, you have understood, children, or not? You have understood or not?
Yes, sir.
That these phrases are given, and while you express your views in debate, you can use such kind of phrases. What are these phrases? I think that. When you want to express your opinion, you can say like this, I think that, and then you can add your opinion. In my opinion, this should be like this. You can express your opinion. It seems to me that if we do this thing in this manner, then it will be better. Okay. I am of the view that, as far as I know, if you ask me, these are what? These are the phrases which you can use for expressing your views in a debate. Is it clear to you, children?
Yes, sir.
And the topic given to you is career building is the only goal of education. So what do you say, children? What do you say? Do you agree with the topic?
No, sir.
You don't agree, because that is not the complete aim of education. No one, we can't say that only education is limited up to career making. It's not limited up to career making. Career making is one part of education, but education is having a broader aspect than career making. No doubt career making is there, but it is not the only goal. It is having a broader aspect. And what is that broader aspect? So that a person can become a well-informed citizen. He could become a resource for the nation. Okay, he can understood his rights and duties. Okay, and always educated youth is a resource. Educated manpower is an asset for the nation. Okay, so for policy making, for decision making, for nation's all-round development, it is required. It is not only required for career making. Saying what other people think, according to some, quite a few think. Okay, so if you have to present others' view according to some people, it may be education may be a way to make a career, but as per me, it is not, which is only for career making. Likewise, you can frame sentences. Quite a few think that it is a ladder which is used for climbing the career goals, but for me it is not like this. Some others favor. 30% of the people disagree. So likewise, while representing others' views, you can use these phrases. Asking for others' opinion. What do you think about? What do you think about? What do you think of? What is your opinion about? Do you agree? Does this make you believe? All these are the phrases which you can use in debate, and you can make your debate very impressive. Okay, so I hope you have understood, and you will be able to write about career building is not the only goal of education. Then children, next it is regarding writing. Think and write a short account of what life is in Rameswaram. Think and write a short account of what life in Rameswaram in the 1940s must have been like. How life have been in 1940s in Rameswaram. Were people rich or poor, hardworking or lazy, hopeful of change or resistant of it? Yes, children, what do you believe? We have studied the lesson. So what do you think now about the people of Rameswaram there in 1940s, in Abdul Kalam's childhood? A reference of 1939 is coming now, that of the Second World War. So what do you think about the life in Rameswaram in 1940s must have been like? how the life has been. The people, whether they were rich or poor, were they hardworking or lazy, hopeful of change or resistant, were not willing to change. Yes, who will speak? Yes, students, your views. Yeah. Who will express? Yes, Anusa, very good. Yes, Anusa, you can.
Sir, according to me, life at Rameshwaram in 1940s would be like there would be gender discrimination based on caste, culture, religion. It won't be easy so much, but we can definitely live in that.
Yeah, so Anusa is saying a little bit discrimination was there based on gender, based on caste, based on creed. Okay, and the view may be from the ideology represented by the teacher. The view may be inspired from the ideology represented by wife of the teacher. Okay, so likewise, yeah. Any other opinion? Yes, children. What do you say? Then the other sides, that people were rich or poor, were they ready for change or were they resistant to change? Yes. What about these other areas? And in this particular area, on the religious background, if you want to add something, don't forget that there were people like the priest Lakshmana Shastri. He said, he called the teacher that you should not discriminate on the lines of religion. You should not poison the young minds. You should not forget the teacher who called Abdul Kalam to his house and said that Kalam, change, when we will go for change, obstacles will be there, hurdles will be there. We have to face the hurdles, we have to face the obstacles, and then we have to keep going. And by saying this, he invited Kalam, Abdul Kalam, for dinner the next Sunday or Saturday, like that. Okay, so what they represent? They represent that there were certain people who were believing in a society that should have a harmony. Okay, and where all the religions, different social groups, they should have mutual cooperation, they should help each other. Okay, then yeah, any other student who want to say? Don't hesitate, children, express your views. Yes, yeah, who will express his or her views? Yes, children. Disita, why you left? Yes, Sara, Meena, Aditya, Anamika, Komal Verma, and others. Everyone, children. Only those whose names are visible before me, I am telling their names. Everyone. Yeah, tell me, express your. You are not able to hear me. Why you are not able to? Okay. What about others? Yes, children. It's very simple, and after reading the lesson very easily you can answer. Okay. So yes, Sara, Meena, what do you say? Sara? Yes, children, express your views about the society at that time. Were they ready to change? Yes, they were ready to change. My mic is not working. Everyone's mic is not working. Everyone's network is having some problem.
Sir, what is the question?
Aditya, question is, think and write a short account of what life in Rameswaram in 1940s must have been like. How life would have been like in 1940s in Rameswaram. In these areas,
Sir, I think life was very difficult.
Just listen, in these areas, were people rich or poor, hardworking or lazy, hopeful of change, or resistant to change? Yes, yeah. So after reading the lesson, what's your opinion? Yes, Aditya.
Sir,
Now
I
you
can tell.
Yeah, Aditya, you can speak, then
People
Anamika.
were hardworking at that time.
People were hardworking, do agree. Yeah. Because Abdul Kalam himself said that I helped my brother Samsuddin in
Selling
collecting
newspapers.
newspapers. Then I sold tamarind seeds. So these represents that people they used to do, and the others how they used to provide different services. Yeah. Any other? Yeah. The other area, rich or poor?
Sir,
Sir,
I
I
think
think
that
people were neither rich nor poor.
Yeah, this could be. They were neither rich nor poor, but they were able to meet their daily needs. They were hardworking and they were
Yes.
able to fulfill their daily requirements. Okay, and people were not lazy at all, and they used to do hard work and they used to earn their daily bread and butter. Yeah. Next.
sir, I
Yeah,
think
Anamika.
sir, the peoples are hardworking and Rameshwaram is a small island in Ramanandapuram district of Tamil Nadu, and APJ Abdul Kalam was born there, and the society was so rigid in 1940s, and the people belonged to lower middle class families, and there are different types of people in the town. Some are young school teacher, and some are and still the pair people like Lakshman Sastri and Subhas Subramanya who are secular at their attitudes.
Yeah, so it was a mixed type of society. Rich people were also there, poor people were also there. Okay, difference of opinions were also there, and there were people also who tried to bridge these differences. Okay, so it was a small society, but it was having divergent views. Okay, there were some differences, but there were people who also tried to bridge these differences. Okay, so children, this the lesson comes to an end, and in next class we will discuss regarding direct and indirect speech, and almost we have completed syllabus for term 1. Is it clear to you?
Yes,
Term 1,
sir.
term 1 syllabus almost we have completed. Let me remind you about the lessons. Likewise, the fun they had, the road not taken, sound of music, the Sahanai wind, the lead. Okay, so almost the syllabus prescribed, and you know the syllabus. That syllabus document was shared with you also there in the WhatsApp group. Do you know what is the syllabus
Yes,
for
sir.
term 1? All of you can refer that, and you can check whether we have covered all the lessons for term 1 or not. Okay, direct and indirect, that is there. Remaining we will discuss there in from the next class. Okay, so keep enjoying your learning. Here the class comes to an end, children. Thank you. Have a nice day ahead.
Thank you, sir.